8 and 48 have a common factor of 8 and both terms have a c. To make 8c squared, that's 8c multiplied by another c. To make 48c, that's 8c multiplied by 6. 30 and 27 have a common factor of 3 and both terms have an a. To make 30a squared, that's 3a multiplied by 10a. And to make 27a, that's 3a multiplied by 9. Expanding, I get 8h, subtract 28, subtract 30h, subtract 90, gives me negative 22h, subtract 118. This time 20r, subtract 50, subtract 14r, subtract 49. R's together is 6r, numbers together is negative 99. FOIL, firsts, outers, inners, lasts, simplify, put the middle two terms together, which in this case cancel out, so I just get j squared subtract 4. Firsts, outers, inners, lasts, simplify, so z squared, put the middle two terms together, which makes positive 4z, subtract 5. Opposite of subtract is to add. Opposite of multiply is divide. Opposite of add is subtract. Opposite of multiply is divide. Expand the bracket first. $45, then subtract and divide. Expand, subtract and divide. Move all the s's to the left. Add. And change sign. So s equals 4. Move all the f's to the left. Subtract and divide. Inverse of add 5 is subtract 5. Inverse of square root is square. Inverse of subtract is add. Then divide. Make sure your final answer has the inequality sign. Add. Keep the inequality sign. divide, and still keep that inequality sign. It's going up in sixes, so it's 6n, and to get from 6 to a starting point of 6 we add nothing at all. This one's going up in 9s, so it's 9n. To get from 9 to a start of 14 we need to add 5. This line crosses the x-axis at 1, so it's x equals 1. Whereas this line crosses the y-axis at -4, so it's y equals -4. So y equals, for every 1 square across, it's going 2 up, so it's 2x. And it crosses the y-axis at 5, so plus 5. This line is y equals, for every 1 square across it's going 4 up, so it's 4x, and it crosses the y-axis at 4, so it's 4x plus 4. (24), 48%, that's 48 over 100. It's 11.52. Still in centimetres squared. £690. We want 41 out of 100 from it. Is 282.9, and it's money, so we write it as £282.90. 12.8 out of 940, that's it as a fraction, which is 0.12 as a decimal, or 12%. 3.04 out of 16, that's it as a fraction. As a decimal, that's 0.19, so 19%. Increase, so add on to 100%. So we had 3,430, and we want 178% of it. (6,105.4), still centimetres cubed. Increase again, so another add. So actually we're looking for 107.4% of our £959. Which is £1,026.97 if we round it up.